I'm going to show you how to connect this printer with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office. So first step is to switch on the printer and go on the display panel. And this is a touch screen display panel. Scroll down the top bar, click on the setting icon, click on the network setup, click on the wireless settings, wireless setup wizard, confirm it, and it will search for the wireless routers which is available in its range. In case you don't see your wireless network, simply move it near the router and it will show up there. Select a network, enter the password. So this is the password of your home or office Wi-Fi network. Once you enter the password, simply click OK button and you will see your printer is connecting with the Wi-Fi network. Blue light will stay on once its connection is successful. From here you can just go back once the connection is done, and you can enter this printer into the multiple devices and you can start the Wi-Fi printing, wireless scanning from here. So it's very easy to connect this printer with the home or office Wi-Fi network. In case it is connected with the previous wireless network and you want to change, you simply have to follow this process and it will connect with the new Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.